Hey guys, it's me, Christina, and I haven't done a video in a minute, but I really wanted to come and do this one with you today because this is a cleaning product, and I love getting new cleaning products, seeing what they'll do, and I'm really hoping this one will work on my carpets. So first I'm going to show you how to put this together, and then I'm going to use it on my carpets, and you're going to see with me how well it works. So I'm so excited about doing this. Let's get started. Okay, so this is the Hoover Power Dash Pet Carpet Cleaner. And no, I don't have a pet, but I read a lot of reviews on this, and it seemed to be a really good one. This has the heat force, makes it dry faster. Lightweight, less than 13 pounds. The cord is like 20 feet long, which is great. And it has the powerful cleaning and antimicrobial protection. Whatever that means. Anyway, 2 times more cleaning power than the competitive lightweight carpet cleaner. Now, how's that for an ad? All right, Hoover usually is a really good product, so I think this is going to be good. So let's go. It looks like this, and it is compact, so it's not going to be in the way for storing it. And this is how it comes out of the box. And you got to kind of put it together, but it's really easy. So the first thing you find in the box are these pieces, and they are very easy to put together. This just clips right in. This is the bottom part. You'll find this little button, and it's going to attach inside here. It's going to snap into that hole. So you put it in, push it down till you hear it click. Super easy. Now that sucker's not coming back out unless you really want it to. And then you're going to have to force it out down here by pushing this button in. So hopefully once you get it clicked, you don't need to take it back apart. Up here on this section is where the handle goes. And the handle only will fit one way, so you can't do it wrong. So you see that? That's wrong. It won't fit. I can't even force it. Turn it around. And here we go. That's going to fit just fine. This is a tight fit. I'm really going to have to push it in there. Make sure it's lined upright, and then give it a good push. These buttons, and there's one on each side, connects right there. So just give it a good push down. It just snaps right in. Can't pull it back out. This is where you're going to find your squirter. This you're going to wrap your cord around. And right here is where you're going to put your solution jug. And again, this only goes in one way. Can't mess it up. It just pushes down there. Just push it down there firmly. So you put your solution in there. And this is where your dirty water is going to go. Push down on this. And this just comes right out. And that's going to be your dirty water tank. Very easy to clean up afterwards. Once it gets to that section, you're going to empty it. And then it has 2 buttons down here. The gray one is going to tilt your handle back when you push that down. Then you can pull back your handle. That allows you to maneuver it how you need to. And then the red one is the power button. And I'm so excited to use this. And guess what, guys? It also comes with a sample cleaner solution. So if you buy this and you forget to buy a cleaner, this comes in the box. So super excited. I'm going to get everything together, fill up my tank, get this plugged in, and get started. First, we need to clean up our puzzle pieces out of the floor. And we'll be right back. We're going to see what it does. This is what I'm actually going to do. I'm going to move this chair and stuff because there's a stain here from when I moved in. And this is what has really been bothering me. So let's see what we can do with this carpet. Okay, here we go. I'm ready. Got my solution. And I was going to tell you guys, it actually has some fill lines here. It tells you where to fill the water and where to fill the solution. I'm really not sure if this is it. I can't see. But somewhere on the bottle it has a little fill line for your water. and then a fill line for the solution. Now we have the puzzle all over here out of the way of the floor. This is my floor. So this is the little section I'm going to do with you guys today. And let's see how it turns out. Let's do this. Okay, so starting off, I'm going to press the red button to start. I do want to say I'm not happy with the way that the cord goes around this bottle. It's not a big deal, but I don't know. Kind of feel like it could be better, but I don't know. I guess that's what you get when you get a long cord, which is great. That's a great feature. So once we lean it back, we're going to start it, and to go when we start going forward, but this is going to press and release the solution. I'm going to go forward and release it, and then it says continue to release it going back, but I'm kind of worried about doing that. I don't want to get too wet, so I'll probably just pull back without releasing more solution. Oh, let's see as we go along. So here we go. Okay, I'm not done, but I'm stopping right here just to go ahead and say a couple things. First, there's nowhere to really put this while I'm cleaning the carpet, so that has to be held kind of, and it can be put here, but you still have to kind of a poor design, just in my opinion. The second thing is you have to pay attention. Like, all my solution is gone, but there is a fill line down here that tells you when to empty this out. And we're almost at the maximum fill line. The directions say if it starts making a funny noise, you know it's time. Don't go beyond that. I'm not there yet, but I'm going to go ahead and empty it. How you empty it is by opening this and dumping it out this side hole, which may or may not be a pain. We're going to find out here in just a second. But my biggest thing that I'm not sure I like is this here. I'm going to try to get some close-ups so y'all can see. Can you see this? So, I did vacuum my floor before I started. There was no dirt on my floor. But I'm guessing this is carpet fibers that has been pulled up from the machine. And it's everywhere. So even after I'm done, I'm going to have to go around my carpet and pick up all these carpet, like it's everywhere. It's here, it's here. All that is these little carpet fibers that's being pulled by the machine out of my carpet. There was no dirt here when I started. This is carpet fibers. I'm not sure I like that. The other thing is it tells you as you initially go up and down and you're releasing the solution to release it when you go up and release it when you go back. in my opinion, that's too much because I only did it when I went up each stroke. And this floor is soaked. Like, the floor is soaked. I don't know if you can tell. The other thing is, I used their solution. I had a different solution that I bought. And I didn't use it. I wanted to use their solution and see how it went. As you can tell, the stains are still there. It didn't lift stains. It was also supposed to have a scent and like an odor remover. I don't know if it's removed an odor, but there's no scent. So it doesn't smell any more fresh. On top of that, it was supposed to have the heat thing that pulled most of the water out. And also kind of dried it as you went along. My floor is soaked. Like, I understand when you use a carpet cleaner, your floor is going to still be somewhat wet. The floor is soaked still yet. And it doesn't feel hot. If it had the heat thing, I would imagine at least be a little bit warm. I'd be able to feel that, and I don't. Overall, this is like using a vacuum cleaner. It is lightweight. I'm very much not impressed. This is the Hoover Power Dash Pet Carpet Cleaner. I'm going to finish my carpet tonight. I'm not going to make y'all suffer through it, but I'm going to finish it. I do not recommend this product. Now, that's just my opinion. There's no heat force. It's not even close to being a little bit dry. It is lightweight, like it said. But I don't know if it's just their solution or not. The Hoover solutions, like they recommend. Didn't remove any stains that I can tell as of now. I am going to go over it a few more times and we'll see if there's any improvement. There you have it, guys. That is my review and my opinion on the Hoover Power Dash Pets Carpet Cleaner. That's really all I have to say about this one. I was excited about it. I was really looking forward to it, doing a really good job. I'm not going to give it a review on the Walmart site, but I will let you guys know. I'm taking this back. Like, I would rather use something that I have to get down on the floor and use that does a better job. So, that's all I gotta say. I hope you enjoyed this review, you got value from it, and you know that it's not one that I would recommend for you to use. Thanks for watching, guys. I got a lot of work to do. See y'all later. Hey guys, hold on a minute. You know I'm not one to end a video when I say I'm going to. I went ahead and done more on the room. So let's look at that. I want to call it Dirty Hairball. I'd already picked up. But as you can see, there's more of these all over my carpets. All that is going to need to be picked up. Look at this. This is what this leaves behind. I really feel that y'all need to know this about this machine. This is what I'm not happy with. This is just dirty hair sections that it leaves behind from the brush. Like, this is disgusting. I mean, and I don't know. This might leave its own stain after it dries. I don't know, but I know you can see how wet it still is. Look, that's going to be a stain. Look, I didn't even have a stain there before, and that's going to be a stain. So, major thumbs down for this carpet cleaner. Total disappointment. And I hate that because I love getting new cleaning products. This is my end result. Okay, I just wanted to show you this. This is after it was all vacuumed up, all the hair fuzz off the floor. End results, I have more stains. These weren't here before than I originally had, and these are from the carpet cleaner. These stains I did not have. Did not have those. People don't go by this, especially if you have a light carpet. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to my page. See y'all.